Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make vegetable pulao. This delicious dish can be served as a main course or it can be served as a side dish, and you can serve this with fish, chicken, lamb, or beef, and it has a lot of vegetables in it, and it's going to be just absolutely delicious. So I hope you join me. I'll be back in a minute to show you how to make vegetable pulao from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. Here's the delicious vegetable pulao. My whole kitchen smells fabulous, absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors, and I can't wait to taste some. Very tasty. The rice is fluffy, full of flavors. Love the vegetables, love the mushrooms, love the potatoes and the carrots and everything in this delicious rice. Like I said, you can just serve this as it is, as a main course or main dish, or you can serve this as a side dish, totally up to you. Honestly, I'm going to serve this by itself tonight because this has everything in it. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please make sure to leave them in the description box down below. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all.